This is a IntellijIDEA IDE for Kotlin, and here is a hello world Kotlin file. If you want to create a hello world or any Kotlin file, then just go, first you have to create a project. So to create a project, go to file and new. There you will see a project, and just clicking it, a window pops up, and here you click on next, and here you have to give the project name, and by clicking on finish you will be creating a new project. Here I have created my project, and under my project there is a source folder. Right click and there will be new, and just go on Kotlin file or class to create a Kotlin file, and here you have to write the Kotlin file name. Here's Kotlin file is hello world, and under this file I'm going to write the Kotlin code. So getting started. Okay, sorry. Here let's function main. I have to pass the arguments here, so that is the array of type string, and here I'm going to print hello world. So println hello world. Just doing this. Now here, if I run this code in the console, hello world will pops up. So let's see whether hello world pops up or not on the console. Wait for a second. Yeah, here a hello world pops up. So this is a simple hello world program written on Kotlin. I'll add some good stuff on this. Let's do some automatic calculation here. So here println and writing, okay, 2 plus 3 equal to plus. Here plus indicates for concatenation, and 2 plus 3 it will give 5. And in Kotlin you don't have to end the statement with a semicolon. That's the optional. If you don't wanna do that, you can get it out from that. Then here println again 2 minus 3 equals to concatenate 2 minus 3, and next for multiplication here, and for the division just put the forward slash, and here save it and just run this code. It will take some seconds, about that. Okay, yeah. Here 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1, 2 into 3 is equals to 6, 2 divided by 3 is equals to 0. Then I think this is sufficient for the beginners. And here, okay, if I want to print the minimum value and the maximum value of integer, then we can't do that. Let's create a variable called a small int of type integer, then int dot max value, where big int of type int minimum value. Then if I want to print it, print line small integer. So here just one way of printing I have already shown using the concatenation, that is plus sign, using the plus sign. Now here I'll be using in a different style, different variable here, dollar, and just put the curly brackets and just type here, yeah, small int. Similarly you can do here, and for the big int, okay, it's a big int, oh sorry, it should be small. And here just big int, okay, big int. And if I run this code, small integer value is 21474 and the big integer is negative value. So this is also quite simple. Then for next, what I have to do is, okay, if I want to concatenate like this, okay, say variable name, it is of type string, equal to, let's say John, and okay, this is the first name, so let's declare his f name and declare last name as, and it is of type string, and say John Smith. Okay, then if I want to concatenate, and let's say the full name, okay, sorry, name, oh, I have to declare here string equals, and it's a first name concatenate the last name. I don't have to put the semicolon on the Kotlin, remember that. Okay, then just if I want to print that, just print and say the full name, and let's run the code, and boom, there's the full name John Smith. Oh sorry, here let's write give a space here and just concatenate it. And now if I run this code, then there's an error because there is 2 plus sign. Now if again I run this code, then John Smith pops up and it looks better than the previous one. So now if I want to know that how much length does the first name carry, then it's easy, just type here length of first name, and just here use the f name dot length. So now it will show me the length of the first name, that is John Smith. It will, okay, if you want to do a comment, you can do a 2 forward slash, and for multi-line comment you can do same as like other programming language, multi-line comment. This here it will be printing 0 1 2 3, so length will be 3 here. And if I want to get the string, okay, string, no, it's a character at index 2, then we can simply type here f name and just give the indices 2. Okay, but here it is not doing, so I don't know why. Let's see. Okay, sorry that here plus sign is missing. So here f name is done, so it will print the character at the index 2. So here 0 1 2, so here it will print at. Similarly, if I want to get the character, not character, let's say string from starting index to end of the index, then we can do like this: print line string and from index 0 to 2. Then here I can do fname dot subsequence and just give the starting index with implicity 2. Okay, no 2, it's 0 0 2, and we have to specify the in index with explicit, so type here 3 and just do here. It will print 0 is J, 1 is O, 2 is at, then yeah, it will print just this. And here I don't have to specify, don't have to put semicolons in Kotlin, remember that. Now if I run this code, let's see whether it is correct or not. The compilation is being done on IntellijIDEA, and here the output pops up. Here the full name is John Smith, length of first name is 4, and here what's doing, oh yeah, it's a 4, length of a string 4. And here the index at 2 is at, so at, and the subsequence is JO at. That's correct. Simply I erase it. Similarly I erase this too. And in Kotlin you can do a typecasting, or let's say casting in a simple manner. Let's say I want to do a casting of double to integer. Suppose let's say the value of 3.14, that I don't know, that just putting 3.14 as a double to integer. So here let's type 3.14 dot to end, then just it will convert to an integer. Similarly, if I want to do here, let's write the a to integer, that means character, it's a character, so let's put in a single quote. And here if I do, and here also concatenate, okay, and here I'm going to change the character a to integer, so let's write a character a to integer. And here next I have to do print line, and again if I want the 65 to the character, then I can do it by doing 65 dot to char, and here's okay. Then if I run the code, then the output pops up, and here 3.1 to integer, when casting from double to integer is 3. Similarly, a to int is 65, and 65 to char, that is a. So this is simple. This much for today. Please like, share, subscribe, and do comment down, man.